Mako I loto. Oh, hi.
Whakalo whatu mako.
It don't stop.
The man
to
came
the
through
beat,
again.
y'all.
Yeah,
It
come through
don't
again.
stop.
Whakalo
Yes,
whatu
y'all.
Yeah.
It
How you
don't
been?
stop.
Oh.
To the beat, y'all. It
Beautiful.
don't stop.
Looking good.
Yep.
How's work?
Just look after the body. The body is the temple.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Same as you. So that's why have to produce the produce for the produce.
Steve Rhoda, eh?
Rhoda Steve.
Rhoda
I
Steve.
tell him, man, there's Niueans, hey, all the same. Tell them one thing, do another, like my mum.
Wow. Neat, how was Queenstown?
Bro, they love me down there, honest.
Well,
They
this
love
guy
me down there.
shouted his wife, eh? Or
No, she shouted me. She's been saving up.
oh, true.
Yeah, honest.
Lucky man.
Yeah, honest. Nah,
Blessed, eh?
she's a very strong woman, like my mum.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, so keep me in line, keep me in check. Because sometimes this thing here just run.
Oh.
Hey, Niueans, honest. The Palangi size says, oh, be quiet, you know, you might upset some people. The Niue say, no, you can come here. You know? Yeah, that's how people, because I never had much to do with my Palangi side, we were always growing up in Niue, but being half Palangi, we were known as Palangi.
Oh,
So we had to fight for, you know, not fight, but, you know, stand up for ourselves.
True.
Mum always taught us stand up for ourselves. Now to look after my younger brothers, they got in trouble at school, I'm in trouble.
Oh, okay.
If they get in fight or anything, I'm in trouble. Yeah. So thanks, Mum. Yeah, all the hidings and that made me strong.
Tamako Tonga.
Yeah.
Oh, me.
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
It's from my auntie. She's got some little short stories, the musings of Niue.
True.
So I just seen, I sent it to you. You didn't get it?
No.
This guy deleted it. But I'll
It's
share
on
it
Messenger?
because when I think so, I'll come through on a triple R74. That's my other my business. I've got to change it because triple R. Me and Steve come up with rapid rotor racing, rapid rotor rebuilds. This is a thought we've had for ages.
Okay.
He superseded me in engine building. So for me, I do what I do with my building and that. You know, I still love those engines and that. And you see the blue car that I had on my Facebook?
Yeah.
That car there. It's a lady's car, but that's my only thing because I've given my other cars. I had an RX-3, 808 coupe, and an RX-4 coupe. If you know your rotors, you know those cars. Now they're like 80,000 plus.
Oh.
Yeah. But these were projects. They weren't all done up. That was my passion growing up. I loved speed and got into a
Boy
lot of
race,
stuff.
the original boy race.
Oh, honest, yeah, I got so many stories. My son, who's now 33, I hope I'm right, sorry, Jay. He's getting older than me, man. Nah. He's catching up. But man, my son, man, love him to bits. He's taken the role as the older sibling and looking after all the younger siblings. I was hard on him, honest. That fella's been through a lot. Now he's up to the plate. I don't, you know. I'm just so blessed to have him leading the siblings. So if they get it smart in that, Juane Tose, that's you. Honest, man, she keeps me in check.
Yeah.
14 and oh my gosh, she always tries to pick my friend. And she threatens me, I'm gonna ring that on you. I said, please don't. No.
What?
Yeah, she threatens me with my mum. Brother, I better let you go. You're a busy man.
Bro, thanks, Tony.
Oh,
Bro, you're the man.
Nah. Oh no, I'm not. Ask my wife. No, I'm not.
Beehive Solutions, eh? Be nice.
Be nice, yeah.
Be nice.
Building, you know, because man, I won't say anything against my old boss, but man, he wasn't very nice. And then, I was talking to a concreter, Steve from Apex Concrete.
Steve.
What's up, Steve?
Yeah.
He was probably one of the main guys at the Sky City.
Okay.
I thought he was full of coffee.
Yeah.
But man, he showed me some photos and that fella's on point. He knows concrete, he lives and breathes it. Yeah, and man, just a typical concreter, hard as fella. But yeah, so Steve, Apex Concrete, shout out to you, bro.
Whakalahi my love.
Yeah.
Tō whilawea or catch up.
Yeah.
Okay.
I still got a list. I tried to say that, Pelevia.
Tō whilawea, that's
Tō
me.
Pelevia.
That's just like
So,
catch up.
catch up later.
Yeah. Catch up later.
Solid, bro.
Yeah, bro.
See, I just need to be around the room. My sister growls me sometimes. Brother, that's wrong. What are you But she's fluent, you know?
Yeah.
But she hasn't spoken. She's been in Oz and Brisbane.
Yeah.
So, Wisipu, yo. Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Oh, she here or she in Oz?
No, she's still here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. She's here to look after her daughter.
Oh.
Yeah, so we'll get in when we have an interview if you still want to.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people after what happened, they sort of want to distance themselves. That's all good. I don't mind.
Oh,
But the system, you know, I've been. Yeah, the system knows. You know, my heart is good. You know, but my mouth got me in trouble with authorities, and I can see why now. I didn't know the law.
Yeah.
So now, just for our people and what I went through on the court system, hopefully they educate themselves.
Yeah.
Stand up for yourself.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Honest. You know your rights. Just stand up for yourself and be proud.
Yeah.
You know, our people been trodden on too long.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Educate yourself and just be nice.
Halfway tala how, man. You're right, telling the truth, bro. You're telling the truth.
Honest, bro. Those people who know me at the airport, I'm gonna wreck the place. The fellow spoke out, honest. You know, this was I used to talk with these. You know, that's why I played league so I wouldn't get in trouble. Yeah, you know, see, you know.
Oh, me? Oh, so me?
Yeah. So, man, I tried to do the surprise so I wouldn't get, but I love this, honest
man.
now.
Bro, a lot of people liked it, man, the last time you come on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like me.
Yeah.
Another Niue brother doing well for himself.
I appreciate what you do, we'd like to talk. And just for our people, be proud of yourself. Like, my building is my signature.
Yeah.
See, now I can charge.
Yeah.
But networking also. A lot of good people. Don't burn your bridges. You know, use your mouth. Use our smarts. We got our smarts, but we tend to hide it.
Yeah.
My dad used to work at Starbucks. So many Niueans there. Honest, bro. So many clever people there. But yet they don't express themselves. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because they're too afraid to talk out. Maybe me being half Palangi, man. You know what I mean? I can swing both sides.
Yeah.
I said, like I used to tell my boss, nah, you know that Niue fellow over there. And then he goes, Niue fellow. I said, nah, I'm a Palangi.
Wow.
Yeah, but you know, for our people, man, be proud of where you are. Honest, there's so much richness now in the language, you know? The Māoris call it a taonga. So that's why I'm trying to get the taonga. My dad was 64, he's full-blooded Palangi, man. Honest. If he can do it, I can do it.
Oh, he could wangahau Niue, he could speak it.
Honest, so his, like he used to go Makatumau. I see a tonga, shout out to him. So he used to just go to church, learn. He also went to Niue school. I'm not too sure where, might be at Old Ere, night school, night class, 64.
And picked it up.
Never too late. So now he's more educated than my mum. Sorry, mum, but I think you're a bush Niuean.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a good hike now. You know the kanu? Man, every time I go to school, all on my legs. The teacher goes, haven't been listening, eh?
Sharks. Okay, Tony Adams.
I'll let you go.
Yeah.
Bro, I love your content. Keep it up.
Oh man, we'll catch up, bro. Tony Adams. Hurry up. Whakoi. Me. Whakalo whatu mākou. Ta-da. Rhoda Steve. Upakakoi. Whakolahi mā Tony Adams. Boom. Me. Dinner time. Getting my veggies in. My face is looking sharper. Training's getting harder. Can't wait for summer. Go Philadelphia. Steve, bro. Rhoda Steve. Back at it. I just got this trick for my mum when I'm cooking my bok choy now. Whakolahi, Tony Adams. I chop it up. And then, back to lamb for breakfast. I've just smashed the gym. So I'm back home now, I haven't eaten. It's 11, just after 11. And I can't wait to eat this yummy food. Alright, to whilawea. Whakaalofa atu mākou. We're in Pack and Save. O mai ke whakatau tau mena kai. Ko hingo e tunu.
Tunu e ika niue, ke tahi koe pokchoi e, ke tunu ke ika niue. Koe yellow fin tuna. Oh, ika fisi, whamare maari mai. Ta mai e fisi, koe yellow fin tuna, mo e crab. Ke fua ke kai pupongi, ko mai te ia e he o ke o hui, si ko mai e ke Pack and Save, ke tahi fo e pokchoi, ke tunu ke kai breakfast. You kids are better.
Just made it back. Toe uha. It was raining, but no excuses. No excuses. Hopefully we don't get sick there. Hey mum, toe uha, but we laka hui anyway.
Toe uha moi.
Oh.
Laka hui. Mai te ke tuna hei koe. E kata mai I.
Oh. Hui.
I kata mai fisi.
Oh. Mud crab.
Ilo masan, mud crab poke. Ai lo, mud crab poke hei. Ringa whalaka, mud crab fisi. Hei. Lahi maki. Ai whai manu pehea niue. Ai whai manu pehea. Maki haia hei. Oi hei. Tōta he ngako. Tukai tuko em nei lato he ulo. Tukai lato he ulo. That's the coconut cream. Hi. Tukai. Garlic and just a little bit of flavor. Hiya! Woo! That's
Kalahimu,
kalahimu.
walaika.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, that's the mud crab.
Yeah. I want to use some.
Oh, ho, ho!
Koe breakfast he mau ai mone ke nanak te kai.
Damn. Ooh, look at that. Sheesh. Let me do the test. What's this? Ooh, man. Sharks. Whaka o e lahi.
Hai, oh. Look at that. Ono lai. Ôi, quay ngắt của hai em. Cười bông phô ghê.
Oi, 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 oi.
Ôi, 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 ôi. Kì xe nà gai ngắt của em. Uni uni mai mawon kì xe hai. Em ngắt của em. Ngắt của em quay fish. Đó ta hai ngắt của. Yummy.
Okay.
Ôi lót của em. Oh, hai, 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 hai. Ôi, phải phang à? Hey.